fashionistas, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, I am making beautiful resin jewelry using my gel press and unicorn spit. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some resin jewelry. Lightly spray the cotton with water to allow the unicorn spit to really soak in and dye the fabric. Dabbing the edges with paint like I'm doing here isn't necessary, it's just my preference. I love that these jewelry components look like little pieces of marbled glass, something you might find in a stained glass piece. 100% cotton is best for this project. It works perfectly with the unicorn spit. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books, I think you'll like them, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.